Scoreboards. So what the hell is a scoreboard? You could have a scoreboard for your sales guys, and you could also have a scoreboard for you, the business owner. So let's start with a scoreboard for the sales guys. It's very simple to start with. We start to track how many opportunities they attend. They don't attend jobs, they attend opportunities. A job is once something is sold. So you go from how many opportunities did I attend, how many jobs did I sell, and how much is the revenue. That would be displayed. You could write it down on a pad, but you could also put it into a chart to make it look very aesthetic. The second scoreboard is for a business owner, and that can be as vast as you like. The key things that I would be looking at would be how many leads are coming into my business, how many conversions are my team on the phone, the CSRs, converting those leads, what is the conversion rate for my technicians once they attend that appointment and turn it into a job, then what is the average ticket sale, and then finally, I'd be looking at the lifetime value of a client. There's much more you could add to it, but they're the key fundamentals. It may sound overwhelming, but we can simplify it for you. So if you want simple, DM us today.